classification mode. So it will classify the images which are like species of animals which are uploaded. Why I have used the YOLO model? It is the ultra fast interface. It has a ultra fast interface. It has a high accuracy and easy fine tuning. Next, I have taken a data set which has about 90 animal species and 9,500 training images and 2,000 validation and test images. So these some examples are samples are lion tiger. How it works? First, we need to upload the image that we want to identify. Then the model will process it, and then the interface will classify and predict the image. Then it will display the species of animal. Then the interface will also display the habitat, lifespan, weight, and age of the species, like species info. And the feature scope of this project is we can use it as a real-time video detection, and we can upgrade it to mobile app development, and for conservation alerts like some species are endangered, so we can use it for conservation of species also. This is a train code. This is the interface of the project. We need to upload the species here. It will identify which animal it is, and also it will give the information like what type of animal, status, and its habitat and lifestyle and age. And also we have voice code. It will just say the fun fact about the animal.
Identification complete. This is a lion. A lion's roar can be heard from 8 kilometers away.